Okay, now people out there might be interested in what I do. Um, Windows 10, I have another computer of Windows 10, not this one, um, that I had to find a way to stop Windows updates happening. I am somebody who likes to update my computer when I want to update my computer and not have it automatically happening in the background all the time. Especially when you're trying to use your computer and for no reason you get a fart in your face and the computer's restarting and you lose your work. So what I do, apart from going to computer and going to Windows updates and turning this option off, which obviously I've got two windows open on the same thing now, so then you go and turn that off. In Windows 10 you can go in here and turn all that off, but it still updates. And again, with all the research I did and so forth, I did registry edits, I did all sorts of weird and wonderful things that I watched on YouTube and nothing worked. Reading through the forums and so forth, I came across a Microsoft help site that suggested to somebody to put all of these in their host file with the correct IP address, not this IP address, to help with getting Windows updates. And I thought, sweet, I will reverse that. I grabbed all those URLs, put the standalone server IP address in front, and put that into my host file, which, if you go to this directory here on any computer, and then you'll find a file that's called host, which is like so. You'll get to that location, find the file that's called host. You want to rename it. I'm just going to rename it right now to show you that you can rename it. That'll do. And then you want to copy that. And then you want to edit that. And this has got a whole bunch of my own commands in here for servers and so forth, so you can ignore all that. This is the section you're looking for. Just add it to the bottom of whatever's already there. Whatever's all there, ignore that. You just want to add that to the bottom of the list. And Bob's your uncle. That stops every single way that Microsoft updates can happening to your computer. And once you've finished that, you're happy with the file, then just rename it to the copied one, that is. I'm not going to do all that myself. Just rename it back to host, and that's it. That stops all the network traffic to Microsoft updates from happening. All you have to do when you want to get updates, you've decided, it's been a few months, you want to do a few more updates, rename this one to, I don't know, underscore. Don't put a dot, because then you'll give it a file extension. You can put an underscore, or even if you just put more characters behind it like that, just name it something else. And then remove the underscore old from this one, so it's back to the original. Get your Microsoft updates. Once you're finished with your updates, come back here and rename host back to old and rename that one back to host. To switch them back around to stop the updates automatically happening, and that's it. Easy done, no more hassles, and you don't have to worry about random updates happening while you're trying to work or while you're trying to play, and the computer suddenly restarts at you. And I know Windows 10 has got to be, to me, a real pain in the bum. I'm sick of seeing little fart in your face type of pop-ups. You don't get to read it, and then the computer's restarting on you, and you're like, what the? Seriously, you'd lose your shit. Anyway, hope that was helpful. Cheers, guys.